Nothing can be achieved in this world without hard work. If you have constipation, then you have to work hard to get rid of this thing. Constipation happens when you eat improper diet, when you are not active in the field. If you have constipation, that is only for you. You are the reason. So, you have to work hard to get rid of this thing. I will show you some asana and some pranayama. Before that, you have to change your lifestyle. You have to take lots of fiber-rich food. You have to take plenty of water. You have to eliminate junk food, fast food. You must know about the colon and the bowel movement and your digestive organ, how they work. In general, large intestine of our digestive system is also known as colon. Digestive system is the group of organs that allows us to eat and give fuel to our body. The main job of colon is to absorb water from partially digested food that we eat when it is passing through small intestine to large intestine. If these muscles are weak, then stool remains too long in the colon and it absorbs too much of water and become hard and difficult to pass. This is called tough or irregular bowel movement. Is technically the definition of constipation.
So Kavva Sanchalan Asana, crow walking pose, how to do? Sit on your toe with spine erect. Now push your right leg with your right hand towards the yoga mat. Twist your body, raise up. Now push your left knee with yoga mat and twist your body. What is happening? Your digestive organs are twisting. Do once. This is the basic part of Kavva Sanchalan Asana. In this squat position, just walk with your knee. Nauka Sanchalan Asana, rowing a boat pose. Let your spine, legs should be straight. Inhale while going up, exhale while going down. Number 3 is Ardha Maschandrasana. Bend your right leg from your knee. Now place your leg just over your left leg, just here, and bend it from your knee and place it. Just touch your buttock. Now place your right leg just behind you, and you have to twist your body. Place your elbow just beside your right knee and twist your body, twist your neck and look backward. If you feel that this is a difficult one, then you just touch your hand and hug your right leg like this and twist. This is called the Ardha Maschandrasana. The main thing of constipation is that if you have weak digestive system, then you can suffer from this disorder. So for digestion, for better digestion, you have to do Vajrasana after having any meal, and you have to perform Surya Vedi Pranayam. How to do? Sit on your heel. Heels will be separated. This is Vajrasana. Do right nostril breathing. Inhale from right nostril. Exhale from left nostril. Again. Baddha Konasana. For Baddha Konasana, sit like this, make your spine erect, and now you have to maintain your balance. Grab your big toes with your hands and simply slowly spread your both legs. Your spine should be erect. If you are not comfortable, how much you are comfortable, do that. Just if you think that it is enough for you, then stay in this position, make your spine erect. Or if it is possible for you, then go for full. Another way you can try, without separating your leg, you can hold this position. This will give immense pressure on your abdominal organ. Do this as well. Merdandasana.
What to do to get rid of constipation along with practicing yoga? Drink 2 or 4 extra glasses of lukewarm water in the morning first thing. Add few drops of lemon juices into lukewarm water or black tea and sip it slowly. Add fruits and vegetables to your diet. So that was all about constipation, and I hope this video will give you some important information. If it is helpful for you, then please hit the like button. If you want my notification that whenever I will upload videos that should reach to you, then you have to subscribe my channel. And beside that there is a bell icon, please press the bell icon. Thank you so much for giving me your valuable time. Thank you so much. My name is Sammy, Yogi Sammy, and have a wonderful day. Lord Shiva bless you all.